What's up, guys? We're here at Facility 15 doing some riding today. Got some big news. It's been stirring around the ATV community, I think. I've been seeing it on Facebook. People have been talking a lot, and so we got some big changes, and the new ride's going to be one of them. I think it's going to be a good change. We're super excited with the bike. We've been riding it a few times here and there, doing some testing on it, getting comfortable, and it's just it's like a fresh breath of air. I mean, I'm excited to ride again. The bike's super fun for me right now, being the fuel injected versus the carburetor, so that's a whole different ball game for us. It's really fun, and I'm happy to make this change. Hopefully it strengthens our program even more than it already was, and hopefully we can go out there in 2021 and compete for another championship and without any issues at all. We got a lot of work to do on this quad, but as of right now where we're at, 2 weeks after south of the border, we're at a really good spot. So super happy to keep it going, keep the momentum rolling with this bike, and the tuning and testing we're going to be doing this winter is going to be off the charts, and I think this machine is really going to improve my riding and strengthen our program, like I said. Oh man, new ride's fast. Super rough out here again. Always is. I don't know what's up with the track guy. He don't groom it, but no, it's super sick right now. Bike's working awesome. Just getting used to it out in the sand. I haven't rode it much, so this is new. Getting the feels in, getting comfortable on it, having some fun doing it. Got some booters out here today. All right, guys, we just finished up riding today. Track was awesome here at Facility 15. The quad was working amazing. Super pumped on this right now. You know, we got probably 5 hours on the machine, and I felt really comfy. And for this track, how it was today, it was difficult to ride, and for me to be able to do what I did, I'm pretty happy with that moving into you know, the winter months and training and all that. So comment your thoughts on the switch for your chance to be entered to win a set of goggles, and we'll pick the winner sometime soon and get back with you, and I'll be sending you a signed pair of goggles. Yeah, comment, see, let us know what you think.
Mm-hmm.